I'm a manager at a smoke shop in Ventura County. We said yes to having the fentanyl test strips in the shop because we've seen the crisis in the community because of fentanyl. It was just a very quick, easy yes. The whole process of getting the fentanyl test strips was really easy. I think getting the refills makes it nice because there's just a sticker and phone number on the back and you just give them a call and they'll just bring refills by the next day. The community will grow to understand that this is a place, a safe place where they can come. This probably happens every day. We'll have somebody crying out for help, whether it's they had to sell their food stamps to be able to afford their addiction, whether they had to sell themselves to be able to afford their addiction. And sometimes you get a customer who's just gonna lay their whole heart on the line and just tell you, honestly, stories you probably wouldn't expect. And sometimes you end up in tears, sometimes you end up in hugs. Having the fentanyl test strips at the location has helped us, be a resource in a way that they didn't have before.
My name's Sierra. I work in HR at Topa Topa Brewing Co. in Ventura County. We have fentanyl testing strips in some of our locations at Topa, and it was an easy decision for us to be a part of that because the community is a pillar of Topa as a business. I put up some information in the staff-only areas about Narcan. Staff education is something that's really important. I wanted them to understand why we're doing this and the benefits behind it. And then I also wanted them to feel a little bit empowered to be a part of it. We have our fentanyl testing strips in our restrooms at Topa. Having these strips in a safe place where you could just pick it up with no judgment, nobody's even seeing you. I thought that that would be a more successful way to get more strips into more hands. There are a lot of people who will come to Topa because they like breweries. There are families who will come because they can bring their kids. There are queer people who will come because Topa says that this is a safe space for them. There's a really broad group of people that we can reach with these testing strips and this information. My message to other businesses in the community, I would want to encourage them to take part in the program. For a very low amount of effort on their part, they have the potential to make a really big impact. The value of the education that they're providing, the opportunity for someone to educate themselves is priceless. That self-education leads to better practices in their lives, and you could be a part of saving one.
I'm Mayur Patel. I own Bayshore Inn, Mission Bell Motel, and Loop Motor Lodge on Main Street in Ventura. We have a business relationship with the county. It's been almost a year now and it's working well. The fentanyl test strips are available in the front desk at the office and it's visible as you walk in, it's right there, free of charge. Most people regarding the fentanyl test strip will come and pick it up, especially when I'm not looking at them, or may say, what is this and what is this used for? And may take extra for other family members, whatnot, could be for themselves. We are engaging with the people who are unsheltered, most of them. There are people who are willing to take all the help we can as long as we stop judging them. Give a little bit of time a day and they will listen to you. We are used to judging people all this time, that's why they run away from us. But we spend a little bit extra time with them, they will appreciate that somebody does care. They may still do what they're doing, but at least they know a place they can go and find resources. Regarding the test strips, I have gone to a few incidents that guests would not feel comfortable staying there because it says fentanyl. And all I had to do is explain them the reason is to help others who will not die today. I grew up with poverty where I come from. So coming here, working hard and achieving what I have today, I am truly blessed and I know what it feels like to be at the level that you have no shelter, no guidance. So I think that this is my purpose to put things back in the community and help out people who are unfortunate. Just be humble and kind to others. Everybody has a purpose to be on this planet, and if we can do little changes on ourselves on a daily basis, it will go a long way to help others. It's one day at a time and it's doable.